Let's see how this comes apart. Oh my gosh, wrecking the place. Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Today we're going to cover the hood latch and headlight rings. I had some other video of had problems with the right front turn signal, and it was a ground issue with bad connection in the plug, but I lost the audio. So anyway, I'll just have to cut this video a little short and just show you a little more finishing touches on the front end. There we go. Oh, you did it again there, Ollie. Forgot to hit the record button. But anyway, put the cable in, bolt it in. I just got to hook up the little doodad in here. And, hey. All right. Not perfect, but it'll do. Shall we? We got latches, and we've got openings. Yeah. Well, it's even. Gotta love it. All right. I thought all I had was headlight rings. These are pretty pitted. But searching through the boxes, check it out. It's already polished too. I just got the toothbrush here and start cleaning the holes out a little bit, getting some of the polish that was left in there. And the screws. Tell you what, this guy made it pretty easy on me. Most of the stuff anyway. We'll see how that title works out. That should be, keep checking the mail every day. Hoping it's in there. I had to get one of these grommets here that the screws screw into. And luckily, I got corner pieces. Extra. I mean, they're used ones, but man, that's looking good in the neighborhood. Oh, another thing I wanted to show you. If I put this safety catch back on, the main reason I had it off is because I keep hitting my head off of here. But we're going back together now. It's pretty good. All right, let's get you a face shot. Eileen's looking pretty good. A little bit of droop over here on this side, but that could be because of that dent in that bumper there. Maybe it's bent. Believe it or not, I did get another bumper with the parts. I just didn't feel like putting it on. That one has the bumperettes on it. So that's the least of my worries right now. And get her down the road. Okay, I just get out from underneath. I checked all the bell housing bolts. Found one loose one missing. I replaced that, tightened the other one up, and also the dipstick tube bracket was off, so I put that on too. And checked all the other bolts. Cross member, transmission. Everything's looking good. Okay, I got one bolt broke off. Let's see if I can get another one here. Be so much easier to break them off than it would be to Try to cut them. Yes. I need to visit Scott with an S's shop so I can use his button. That was easy. Let's see how this comes apart. Oh my gosh. Wrecking the place. There we go. Onward. I got the catalytic converter here in the junk pile. I'll hang on to that for a while. Man, is it heavy. But anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell if you want to be notified. And remember, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.